Welcome everyone to another episode of Off the Pie Charts. I'm your host Tyler. We cover easy, do-it-yourself recipes on this channel. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. Today we're going to be making an easy chicken soup. Perfect for the wintertime or if you're feeling under the weather. Good thing about this, it's all in one pot. Let's get started. For the soup, we will need olive oil, garlic, yellow onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, ginger, turmeric, or you can grate turmeric yourself. Low sodium chicken broth, our 1 pound of chicken breasts, rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper, 1 cup of couscous, and optionally you can add frozen peas too. It's up to you. We're gonna do this time, frozen peas. All right, we're gonna start with the vegetables. We have an onion, garlic, celery, and carrots. What's really nice about this recipe, especially if you're under the weather like I am, has a lot of really good things in it for you. Has the ginger, turmeric, garlic, things that'll help you recover. Plus it's going to be hearty with that chicken in it. You just want to give these a good mince. Make sure you have a nice and sharp knife for this. So I'm going to put everything in this bowl for now, and then it'll make it easier to transfer to the pot when we're ready. Next, our carrots. You can cut these as thin or thick as you like. Obviously, if you cut them thicker, it'll take longer to cook. Now I like my onions pretty big. Cut them as thin as you'd like them. All right, follow me over to the stove. All right, over medium-high heat, let's add some olive oil. All right, once the temperatures come up, let's add our vegetables. While that's cooking there, we're going to grate about a tablespoon of fresh ginger. And we're just looking for the onions to be translucent. I'm also going to take the time to chop up some rosemary. This fresh thyme smells amazing. Okay, the onions are definitely looking translucent, so we're going to add our ginger to the mix. And a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just let that kind of cook for about a minute or so. Let all the spices be nices with each other. All right, time to add our chicken broth, chicken breasts, and all of our spices. Like I said, what's great about this recipe is the chicken cooks right in the broth. I'm going with 6 cups of chicken broth. Now it's time to crank up the heat, and then we're going to add our couscous. Make sure the chicken is fully covered with the broth, so you might have to push it down a little bit. That's great. That's great. Luckily no one saw that. In goes the couscous. All right, we're putting that down to medium-low for 20 to 25 minutes, simmering uncovered. Just enough time for the chicken to cook. And you'll want that to come out at 165 on the inside of the meat thermometer. All right, time to pull the chicken out with a slotted spoon. I've made sure that mine is 165 or better inside, and let's shred it up. I like to use the 2-fork method here and just start shredding the chicken. If you want to make this vegetarian, switch out the broth for vegetable broth and switch out the chicken for chickpeas, about a cup of chickpeas. If you want to make it gluten-free, I'm sure there's some gluten-free couscous out there you can find. I recently found out you can also do this in like a KitchenAid, but that seems like it's way too much work, especially just for 2 chicken breasts. If I were meal prepping, that would probably be what I would do. I'm just gonna go back in the soup along with the frozen peas. Let's head back. Time to dish this up. Look at that. It smells great. Nothing better on a cold winter day than some hot chicken soup. This is super easy to make. Also good if you're not feeling well, cold or the flu. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if I can make something for you in the comment section below. Until next time, we'll see you later.